Do you want to invest and don't know where to start? Do you have savings and want to improve their returns? Do you care about the environment, so you only want to invest in socially responsible companies automatically? Welcome to inbestMe, a smart digital investment platform in your pocket for personalised investing, built with innovative technology to deliver better returns at low cost. inbestMe's goal is to become the financial and advisory hub for you by offering multiple accounts that combine goals and themes to match each stage of your life. Our platform has been built to deliver the highest risk-return ratio. Investing in an intelligent way can be complex if you do it by yourself. With our technology and team of specialists, we will do it for you.
Greetings, investors! I came up with the idea of inbestMe after returning from the UK around 2013. My daughter asked me, is there a better place other than deposits where I can put my savings? How can I invest like you and other professional investors? I thought of the Robo Advisors. Robo Advisors are a great solution for people like my daughter, who are not professional investors or have little investment knowledge. They were just appearing in the US and the UK, but were not available for the Spanish residents. Creating a Robo Advisor in Spain was an opportunity that I couldn't let escape. I brought together the best team, and we started our journey in February 2017. That was immediately after we obtained our license from CNMV for wealth management. Since then, we have grown tremendously, and now we manage close to 100 million euros. After having raised more than 4 million euros from our lead investors today, we are now taking the next step. We want to accelerate growth in Spain, expand our business to Mexico, and we want to bring more innovation into our investment platform to become the leaders in the industry.
La oferta de gestión de patrimonio inbestMe es tan rica y diversa que ofrecemos más de 100 combinaciones diferentes de carteras de inversión, tanto de ETFs como de fondos indexados y planes de pensiones. Esto es, de lejos, la mayor oferta entre los gestores automatizados en España. Satisfacemos los requisitos de cualquier inversor, ya sean menos expertos o sofisticados, que quiera invertir desde 250 euros o varios millones, tanto en España como en cualquier lugar del mundo. Además, ofrecemos el servicio de máxima personalización con inbestMe Plus, donde los inversores con más de 100.000 euros invertidos se benefician de una atención personalizada y carteras a su medida.
Remember this number, 6.7%. This is the compound annual growth rate that our clients obtain from investing with us. In other words, the average annual return that our customers obtain. This is 5 points higher than what a typical investor gets in Spain. Not less important, our commissions are very competitive and keep our customers' costs to one of the best among our competitors.
The social and environmental responsibility are the core values of inbestMe. inbestMe has been the pioneer in the market by introducing the first portfolios based on social responsibility investment in 2018. We actively promote and increase our SRI offers, and as of today, 40% of the money that we manage is in such portfolios. More good news, it keeps increasing. Our customers in Mexico will surely join the socially responsible investment from the first moment we launch, together with the rest of the portfolios that will be accessible for them.
By using our app and the website, our clients can access and see how their wealth grows 24/7. But our app and our website are just a tiny portion of what we develop. At inbestMe, we built one of the most innovative wealth management platforms. I am especially proud to share that until now, our ambitious research and development projects have won in total 1 million in public funding from the European Union and CDETI through very competitive grants. The Ministry of Science and Innovation has awarded inbestMe with the prestigious recognition of Innovating SME. In Spanish, this is also known as Sello Pyme Innovadora. At inbestMe, we will continue to partner and collaborate with industry leaders and experts from academia to bring the most advanced technology to the tip of your finger.
The purpose of this funding is to keep growing in Spain and land in Mexico. Mexico will be our gateway to Latin America, which is a huge market and an opportunity, especially when there aren't any Robo Advisors yet there. inbestMe was born to be international, and we were preparing for this challenge since the very beginning. We are about to obtain our license in Mexico and are ready to start. After a successful launch in Spain, we want to bring overseas our small investment platform that has delighted our customers.
Now I would like you to meet one of our lead investors, Antonio Lopez, CEO of Mutual Medica. Hello Tony, how are you? What can you tell us about inbestMe?
Hi Jordi. Of course, I can tell you a lot of things about inbestMe, positive things. And if I had to highlight something, I would say, well, as a CEO of Mutual Medica, I was looking for a solution to invest with more efficiency and profitability for our associates. And after a thorough research, we went to the conclusion that inbestMe was the best option. And that was not only given by their investment model and their optimized, outstanding user interface, but also, and most important for us, for the determined bet for index socially responsible investment. That match perfectly with our values, our culture, and with the interests of our associates. We found it such a good automated investment platform that eventually we decided to enter the capital of inbestMe in 2021. And now we're also encouraging this investment round as the lead investor to contribute to the company's expansion.
In few words, we are changing how investment is made. Take this unique opportunity and join inbestMe in its path to become the first European Robo Advisor to cross the Atlantic.
Join the new investing method with us.
Invest in inbestMe!